Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, my name is Brianna. Today is my birthday. I turned 25 and we are about to, what are we about to do? We're about to go to Royal Oak and get some pictures, and then if we got time, because I don't know if we have time, and then we're going to a restaurant, so y'all will see all of that. So we just got to the parking lot where we about to take pictures, and I literally chose the parking spot that had exactly an hour and 11 minutes. 111. Synchronicity. You were so close.
I got
Hold
this.
on.
I'm the director. Just talk.
Let me see.
No.
I should just hold it myself because.
Right. I know what I'm doing. Yeah. See?
No, it needs to be further away.
No, it doesn't.
Okay. So we are currently in Royal Oak, Michigan. If you're from here, you know. Just found this random street to just take some pictures on, or videos or whatever. So that's what we're about to do. And this is my outfit. My first outfit. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, all of my stuff is right here because I don't have nothing.
It's not a locker out here.
Right. So I got this skirt from Shein, the shoes from Shein, I believe, and the shirt is from Boohoo or Fashion Nova. So yeah, I know the shirt kind of don't match the skirt, but this is the closest thing that I could get to match. So I'm about to do some pictures in this, and then I'm gonna change, and then we're going to the restaurant. I had to obviously do some vlogging on my phone because we're using the camera, but it is hot, y'all. It is hot. I brought my edge control just in case my edges didn't make it, because I know it's hot. It's like 90 degrees, so. But pictures had to get done, so. And I didn't have no other hairstyle that I wanted to do. Okay, yeah, I'm hungry. I'm hungry now. Is it just me, or I never seen this before? Did they update the phones again? Because I have never seen this. This is the directions to the restaurant, and it's telling us like which direction specifically. I've never seen this before, because that is a problem. Like when it first starts, you don't know which way to go until you start going in a direction. This is my second outfit. It was a gift. I don't know the details of this outfit. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, I don't know where it's from. Oh, it's from Shein, right? Dress is from Shein.
Everything.
Oh, everything is from Shein. So, including the bag.
Now it's time for dinner.
Yes, we are going to Pinky's Rooftop. just left the restaurant and Dinner was amazing. Everything was great. It was a very nice atmosphere, and they had specialty drinks as y'all saw, and the food came out really fast. So if you are in Michigan and you are in the Royal Oak area, or you want to come here, then it is a great recommendation. I'm gonna link it in the description box for y'all so y'all can know exactly where it is. So this is Royal Oak. It's like a little town where there's a lot of millennials and young people, and it's modern, and it's, you know, perfect representation. We are at my favorite cookie store, Crumble Cookies.
I'm drunk.
Oh, they have the best cookies. There's the man bun. If y'all haven't tried Crumble, then try Crumble, like for real. Every time you have a birthday, people always ask, like, how do you feel, or do you feel older, or whatever. But it's like, no. Like, I feel like I really don't associate myself with age, because everybody says that I act older than my age. So I never really associated myself with age, and age is not permanent. But I feel like now I'm getting into the ages that people thought that I was already. But I did work today. By the way, I didn't mention that I have a job, and I did work today. So I worked from 6 to about 11:30, 11:40. But I'm grateful for the extra, you know, extra work. But I am tired. Today is a great day. And I gotta change my battery, so hold on. Okay, well, we have the Monsters. It looks like it has M&M's, chocolate chips, and nuts in it. This caramel. What is it?
Chocolate caramel.
Chocolate caramel. And then regular milk chocolate. I always have to get that one. Off the flight, and it was amazing. It was, when you are on the ground, it looks like the helicopters are going like super fast, but when you're actually in there, it's just normal. It's not that bad. I mean, it's not bad at all. I knew it was gonna be bad. I knew it was gonna be fun. So it was really fun. I wish it was longer, actually.
Yeah, I thought it was. Well, the route that I had took was the game day route, but it wasn't no game. Because it would have took us over towards the Renaissance, over the baseball field and all that. But it wasn't no game or nothing special, period. So they took us the Belle Isle route.
Yeah, it was relaxing though for
I
when
wanted
it
to go
was.
the game day route to go over by the Renaissance building.
Right. Have like concessions and stuff in there, like a mini airport. If y'all are in Michigan or in the area of Metro Detroit, then y'all should definitely try this because it's great. It is MyFlight, that's the name of the company, and of course it will be linked in the description box. But that is all for this vlog. I am tired, I am sleepy, and this is a great day, but I am exhausted. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.